Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad SYAZIMAN bin Muhammad FAIRUZ. I'm one of the students from UiTM Segamat from class JCDCS 1433C for subject STA150. Now, this video is all about problem solving question regarding about mostly about combination and also Bayes theorem. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the question that I take is from question STA 150, past year question, July 2025. Now, the question that I will be discussed is all about question 2, which is involving combination and also Bayes theorem. The question are, a box contains 3 blue, 4 green, and 5 yellow marbles. Assuming that 3 marbles are drawn from the box. 1. Compute the number of ways to draw 3 marbles from the box if at least 1 green marbles must be included. To find at least 1 green marbles, total marble drawn minus total marble drawn without green marbles. Now, to find total marble drawn, we must use formula NCR equals to n factorial divided by bracket n minus r bracket factorial r factorial. Now, the n is total marbles that are being used to drawn, while the r is the total times of drawn. Now, n is 12 and r is 3, so we substitute those into the formula, which we will get 12 factorial divided by bracket 12 minus 3 bracket factorial 3 factorial. Now, we will get the answer total is 220. Now, we already got total marble drawn. How about total marble drawn without green marbles? So, we using the same formula, but this time we have to change n. Since we didn't include any of green marbles, so our n is 8 because 3 blue plus 5 yellow equal to 8. We substitute those numbers into the formula and we will get 8 factorial divided by bracket 8 minus 3 bracket factorial 3 factorial, and we will get our answer 56. Now, to find at least 1 green marble, the total marbles drawn must be minus by total marble drawn without green marbles. So 220 minus 56, we will get 164. Now, the second question are, compute the probability that at least 1 green marble is included in the draw. Now, we use the formula P is PA equals to NA divided by NS, where NA is the number of outcome for an event A and NS is the number of all possible outcome for the experiment. Now, since we have get our answer from the previous question, which is the NA is 164, while our NS is the total marble drawn, which is 220. Now, we can get the answer of probability A, which is 164 divided by 220, we will get 41 divided by 55, or 0.7454. Now, we are moving on to the next question, which involving Bayes theorem. XYZ Insurance record shows that 70% of its car insurance claims are fully processed. Analysis of the unprocessed claims show that 80% were made by clients who had filed fewer than 2 claims in the past. Of the processed claims, 30% were made by clients who had filed fewer than 2 claims in the past. Now, the first question is construct a tree diagram to represent the above information. Now, based on the question, we can get a few informations out of the question. Firstly, process claim is P. A is 0.7. The probability of process claim is 0.7. Now we can get unprocessed claims by of probability by 1 minus 0.7, which we get 0.3. The file complaint fee were to in unprocessed claims records is P B A prime is 0.8, while file complaints view length to in the processed claims record is P B A is equal to 0.3. Now we construct a tree diagram to represent the above information. Now this is the tree diagram of the first question. As you can see here, I have plot everything that the information above I already tell. Also in the right side, I put the P, A and B, the process claim A, PA, and also the file complaint. So 0.7 multiplied by 0.3 will equal to 0.21. Now for the second question, given that a particular claims appliance have filed more than 2 claims in the past, find the probability that the claims will be proceed. Based on the three diagrams, 5 complaints more than 2 claims is probability B prime. To find B prime, probability B primes equals to probability B primes and A plus probability B primes and A prime. So 0.49 plus 0.06, we will get 0.55. Now to find that the probability of particular claims appliance have filed more than 2 claims will be processed, we need to find probability A slash B prime. So the formula are P B primes and A divided by P B primes. So the probability of B primes and A is 0.49 divided by 0.55, which is the probability of B prime. So 49 divided by 55, we will get 0.8909. Now that's all for today.